Hi, my name is Viktors Kronbergs and this is my bike check. This is my signature frame Dartmoor Yuki. It's 20.8 and it's very comfortable for me. I'm running with Dart BMX Flow handlebar, rise is 9 and weight is 13. I have Dart BMX second version Saito 4. In front I have a Dartmoor Fortress rim with the Razor Street hub. In back I have Dartmoor Fortress rim with Razor back hub. I have Dart BMX Torn cranks. I really like them because they are smooth and strong. I have Dartmoor Fever pedals in violet color to match my rims. And I have Dartmoor Reflect stem. I have Dartmoor Fetish 28 teeth sprocket. It helps me to go faster and get higher. I have Dartmoor Fatty combo seat. It's really comfortable and it helps me with bar speed. I have Dartmoor Shaman grips. I like them because they are thick. Okay, this was my bike check. I hope you enjoyed it. See ya.